Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ritu and I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, fashion and hauls. In case you want to stick around, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button and be a part of Beauty Squad. And guys, in today's video, I want to show you guys how I take care of my skin in late 20s. So as we start to age, the skin starts to lose its elasticity and firmness. In order to maintain it, we need to have a skincare routine and a product which helps in dealing the signs of aging and also helps in making your skin youthful, glowing. And these days guys, I am using this amazing serum which is gonna be by Lakme Absolute, and it is gonna be their Youth Infinity Serum. Now I love this because this one consists of 89% pure pro retinol complex. Now this helps in giving you that required glow to the skin. It helps in dealing the signs of aging, and even if you have a bit of fine lines and wrinkles, it is going to make sure that they stay at bay. So if you start to take care of your skin in your 20s, in your 30s, your skin is going to love it. So guys, just a month ago I discovered this new range of serums by Lakme and I thought why not give it a try. So these days I am using this Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Serum. Now this one helps in making your skin youthful. It helps in dealing the signs of aging, and it also helps in making your skin youthful. Now this is a very lightweight texture guys, which quickly gets absorbed in your skin and gives you beautiful moisturized skin. It has been a month now and I was able to see some significant changes in my skin. So I thought why not share it with you all and give you my honest opinion. So this is a lifesaver for me because I have seen my fine lines which are around the eyes going away. It helps in instantly moisturizing the skin, which I absolutely love about this, and I'll tell you how I use it. So I take a bit on the back of the hand. So with the help of the fingertips, I applied all over my skin. It gets quickly absorbed. It doesn't even feel like you have an added layer on the skin. It's that lightweight, very moisturizing in the nature. I apply it in the morning. After that I follow it up with a sunscreen. So any kind of serum that you apply in the morning guys, make sure that you follow it up with a sunscreen while going out. And at the night guys, I take off my makeup. When my skin is completely clean, I apply a bit and then sleep it off. So in the morning I get up with beautiful, firmer and glowing skin. So this serum contains 89% pure pro Retinol C Complex, which helps in adding the elasticity to the face. It helps in making it glow, adding the required firmness to the skin. This one also contains vitamin E acetate, which helps in conditioning the skin. It also has goodness of vitamin C and vitamin B3 for skin brightening. So with the regular use, you will be able to see the benefits are amplified. It helps in reducing dullness and gives you youthful glow. So guys, Lakme has a wide range of these serums which are going to be catering to all skin types, to most skin concerns. I have already told you about the Youth Infinity Serum. There are going to be two more. The next one is going to be vitamin C plus, which is going to be for healthy glowing skin. There is also going to be Hydra Pro Serum, which is again for hydrating the skin, and this Perfect Radiance Serum is going to be for skin brightening. So you can pick and choose according to your skin concern. If you use the code serum10, the link is going to be in the description box below. You're going to get a 10% off. And with that, we are going to be wrapping up today's video. I really hope that you find this one helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.